Hi everyone. This is called Truy Swai. Truy Swai is the bud, bud. So you can identify it by the color. It's light green. So it's at the end of the twig or the branch. So it's called in Khmer language as Truy. Truy. And also everyone, I want to show you about the shape of this leaf. This one leaf. You can see the side of it, the shape like this. We say rolok, rolok, rolok. It's like waving, so it's rolok. We say in Khmer language as rolok. Thank you everyone for watching.